boys and girls, this is Wildman Willis here doing more of my G1 Transformers reviews, and we are going to look at the Terrorcons, one of the last few big combiners in the original run of the Transformers. You had maybe this one, and then you had the C-Cons, and then you had some pretenders were later on when the line was running very, very thin on ideas. As you can see, when they had all the little different mini robots hooking into bigger robots to make them move and stuff like that. So we're gonna look at the Terrorcons. We got Bolt, we got Ripper Snapper, we got Center Twin, and we got Cutthroat, and the last one is the leader. We got Hunger. I think Hunger has one of the best designs of a Decepticon, and especially in his main robot form, which I'm going to show you is pretty cool on its own. Yes, he's one of the most mobile Transformers that came out, where you can really pose him and stuff. So, a pretty cool design. He's kind of cool. And he comes with a big old giant shield that's also his chest plate. You can put on his arm as well. It's just kind of awesome. So we want to transform him into his main combiner mode with the rest of the Terrorcons into, I believe his name is, well, you should know the name. I'm going to give it to you in a minute. And surprising enough, in the Beast War, what is it? The Beast Hunters Transformers that they just had a year or two ago, they remade this action figure, but they were more mini cons that transformed into Abominus. But he wasn't as big as this one that transformed. And you could actually go to Five and Below if you have them and basically pick up those ones. Those are in the Cyberverse size for $3 a piece, so you can get the whole set. If you missed out when they had them at the Target in the gift set, which I picked up a set on a $7 clearance. So we will go into transforming him into his giant size mode. Easy to transform him into Abominus. Basically, all of them had the same transformation into the big giant size robot. So we're gonna get this out and about, and you will see him transform into his main robot size. Snap right on in, of course. Of course, you can put these any way you want, because that's the way they design. Put the feet on. As you can see, standard. Basically, all these transform the same when you think about it. I guess they did that so the kids wouldn't get really confused on how to put these together back in the day. Dummy on. I don't know why, but that's the way that particular one was made, with a stubby on. You don't have to put them that way, but that's just the way I put them. So we're almost done with the transformation of this bad boy. Peg holes fit right in, so you can put them in the arms. I'm making them with stubby arms today because that's just how I feel today. But you can put the parts on them to make his arms longer if you choose to. But it gives him kind of a different aesthetic. So, but there you is. There is Abominus. There is Abominus. So, this is Wildman Willis signing off. See you next time.